Good morning, day 20 of 75 Hard. You know, life is really just a series of decisions. One decision followed by another, followed by another. And when we make good choices, cheap plug, you can buy this at markzfitness.com/shop. When we make good choices one after the other, we tend to lead a life that leads us down a path that we desire. Now, that's not always the case, but if more often than not, we are choosing things that are aligned with the goals and ambitions and dreams that we have, most of the time we move in that direction. And I know this is like a small thing, but you know, this morning it's Saturday. I don't normally get up super early. On a regular schedule, I don't come to the gym to work out. On Saturday morning, I sleep because I like sleep and I need sleep. And my alarm was about to go off. My toddler's sleeping right next to me and he's asleep. And I feel him butt his leg up against me. And I'm like, man, how nice would it be to just turn the alarm off, just lay here, all warm and cozy in my bed and figure the rest out later. I'll just, I'll figure it out later. I'll squeeze a workout in somewhere. And I mean, that was a thought all of about 0.5 seconds. And then I was like, no, it's time to get my ass up and get moving because I have a plan. I know I can execute the plan. And I know when I do that, not only do I just feel better mentally and physically, but I know I'm gonna get everything done. It's less mental stress. I stay on task and it just makes the day better. So there you go. Here's your lesson for the day. Make good choices. Have a great day. I'll see y'all later. All right, folks, day 20 is in the books. Today was an interesting day. Got up like I've been doing, went to the gym, worked out, trained some people, and then I had my little man with me all day. Wifey was working, went to the park, so I had to delay my water so I didn't have to pee 14 freaking times when I was at the park with him. Came back, played around a little bit, put him down for a nap, had to get my workout done while he was napping, so went to my back patio, brought the baby monitor out, did some push-ups, jumping jacks, squats, ab stuff for 45 minutes on my back patio, got that in. As soon as I was done with that, started chugging water to get the rest of my water done. And then wife calls me up and says, hey, let's go out to eat for dinner, which we haven't done a lot of that. I think I've had 2 meals out on 75 Hard since we started. And she's doing the diet portion with me. So we picked a place, we picked a sushi restaurant that we absolutely love. And this is where the challenge comes in because you have decisions to make. And, you know, the rule of 75 Hard with food is if you got to question it, you don't eat it. So had edamame, had a riceless roll, had one roll with rice, and then had some sashimi. So tons of protein, low in carb. Not that it needs to be low carb, but try not to overdo it. And we both finished the meal. We're like, man, that was delicious. Felt great. Didn't have that stuffed feeling that a lot of times would have had. Little man had nuggets and fries, which I totally would have eaten if I had not been on 75 Hard. So it kind of makes you a little aware of your choices and things that you do. Anyway, huge win. Y'all have a great night. Keep making good choices. See you tomorrow.